Hi and welcome. Today we're having an unboxing video of my brand new set created in collaboration with Craftamo. So I'm going to show you the package real quick. This set consists of 8 brushes, perfect for watercolor painting, travel sketching, painting, natural subjects, botanical art, but not only. So it's a very versatile set. I'm going to open it with you right now. So once we open the set, we have this cute little card here and a tutorial on how to paint this image here that you see on the card. So this frangipani flower. If you purchase the set, you will be able to find a QR code here to get access to the free tutorial on how to paint this flower using this set. These brushes are cruelty-free, synthetic brushes, and they're all designed for watercolor painting. This is how the set looks from the inside, and I'm going to show you the brushes right now. I'm going to start from the biggest one. This one is number 14. This is a mop brush. Mop brushes are perfect for filling big areas of color, for backgrounds and other things. So this has soft bristles. That's why this brush holds water really, really well. And honestly, it works like magic for backgrounds and every time you want to fill a big area with color or water. Next, we have brush number 12. This is a round synthetic brush. This brush has a little bit harder bristles, just like all the other brushes, so only this one is softer. And number 12 is perfect for everything, so backgrounds, but even finer details, because as you can see, the tip of the brush is really pointy. So actually, these brushes are perfect both for bigger strokes, but also for adding smaller details. And honestly, even number 12, it's quite big. I created some paintings using only this brush and also was able to add the details using the tip. So this brush is also quite versatile. Next brush. This one is a flat brush. This is the only flat brush in the set. So I think round brushes, so this is how round brushes look like. Here on the right side, you see the round brush. Round brushes are more versatile, so you can create more subjects with the round brushes. But I think having one flat brush in the set can be super helpful for some subjects, and especially if you want to use it, let's say, for travel sketching, and if you want to sketch architecture or even for different textures, this brush is really, really nice. Next brush, round one, number 8. This is probably one of the most versatile brushes of the set. Number 8 can work well with everything. It's not too big, it's not too small. The point is really sharp, so you will be able to use this brush for basically anything. Next brush. This one is number 4. We're getting smaller here. Number 4 is also a really nice brush, perfect for details. So medium small brush, very versatile, and I love using it for adding the final touches. But we have an even smaller brush in this set for those who really like tiny details and adding maybe last touches. Maybe if you want to create intricate, highly detailed illustrations, this brush is perfect. So this is number 2. And this is the smallest brush in the set. You see, it's really tiny. The point is super sharp. So even if you want to add the tiniest details, you will be able to do it with this number 2 brush. And finally, one of the most exciting things about this set are my travel brushes. So there are 2 travel brushes in this set, number 10 and number 6. And let me show you how the travel brushes work. So I'm going to show you it with this example of the number 10 brush. Travel brushes are called travel because you can fold them just like this and bring it with you easily. So it means that once your brush is closed, it is protected by the lid, so you don't have to be worried about your bristles of the brush to get damaged or bended. So you can simply throw this in your bag or even hold it in your pocket and take it away once you want to paint. Just simply put the lid on and then the brush is ready for use. Really simple system and really efficient. This is what I've been using for my travel sketching so far, and honestly I absolutely love these travel brushes. This is a very unique thing about this brush set. Again, you have two of these, number 6 and number 10, and these are just the love of my life. Honestly, if you want to travel with this set, all you need is just these two brushes, and then you can use all the other brushes for your studio work. And as I said, this set is really versatile, so you can use it both as a studio companion or as your travel sketching companion. So this is the box once again. Remember, these sets are limited edition. So the live launch of these sets will happen live on YouTube on March 9th, 7 p.m. CET. This is when the sets will be available for sale. So if you don't want to miss the sale, we are limited on 300 sets. So once they're gone, they're gone. And we are expecting a high demand for these. So if you want to make sure to grab yours, I suggest you to go in the description below and signing up for being notified once these are available. And of course, come to the live masterclass, to the live session on March 9th. This is where I will demonstrate to you how these brushes work in action. There will be a live demo, so a free painting masterclass where I will be showing you how to use all of these amazing brushes. And this is where the official sale will open. And also all the participants of the live masterclass will get a special 5% discount code and another gift from me. So I'm gonna wait you on YouTube on March 9th, and I cannot wait to see what you will create with these brushes.